But is there anything up there?
Just grease. But you know, I don't know where it comes from. It could be your apartment, upstairs, who knows? Because you're not, you know, you share the line with other people, right? So.
Here's some paper.
It's okay there, I have rags.
There was junk there.
What's that?
There was junk in there.
Oh yeah, just, you know.
Is that what's causing it?
No, there's grease in the line, you know. So it's a lot more than just that.
What is it?
Grease from
What
food.
is it?
Yeah, grease from food.
Oh.
But it could come from upstairs as well, you know what I mean? I don't know where it comes from. What
So
apartment?
then, if
I
I
have no.
have a greasy pan,
Yes, just
I
put
should
soap
put
behind
it
it.
in there then.
Well, just put some soap behind it when you're using it. You know, like when you're doing the dishes.
Here's paper towel for you.
Oh, thank you. That's it. Here's the garbage.
Oh, just leave it there and I'll put it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, anyways, that's that. And this is all good now.
So it's okay now.
Yes, it's running fine. Okay.
See, I couldn't understand because I use this, so no
Yes.
food will go
Right.
through.
I know, but you're not the only one on this line. You got people above you as
Oh,
well.
that's why.
Yes,
it,
yes.
it comes down here.
Right. So you
Oh,
don't know.
That's what I thought because,
Yeah.
you know, I don't have anything going down there.
Right.
And I don't use
Yeah.
too much grease.
Right. That's what I was telling you. I don't know where it comes from, so I can't make any blame. You know what I mean? So don't worry
But
about
it
it.
could come from upstairs.
Oh, absolutely.
I
Absolutely.
see.
Yeah.
I couldn't figure out why this
Yeah.
was happening when, you
Yeah.
know, I have this and nothing goes down.
Right. I understand. Well, it's okay now, okay?
Oh, gee,
All
thank
right.
you.